limestone caves campsite, and there are a couple of little caves in amongst those limestone cliffs just there. They're very, very small, and our companions for the night. These guys are off on a 26-day trip across Australia and will be finished before we are. Stony Creek, where the limestone caves trail meets the Australian Alps walking track, just up to the left there of Damien.
Couple of them a bit rocky. But okay, actually in the end, they're all a bit rocky.
Limestone Creek. There's more than one. From here the track departs the road. It's quite easy to miss likely, it's a little bit off to the side. I'll get you for that. Yeah, we've just come up to the Mount Misery track and about to head down.